Hi everyone. So welcome to QADRI'S English Academy. So yesterday we have discussed about relative pronouns. So actually we are in parts of speech. We are in parts of speech. We have completed noun topic and then pronoun topic and adjective. And now we are going to enter in verb. So today topic is based on verb topic. So verb is a word, according to definition, verb is a word which shows the being and doing actions. We have some kinds of verbs are there. Their first one is helping verb, second is main verb. Helping verb is a verb which helps to main verb. We have many terms of helping verbs we have in English language. That's a helping verbs, being forms, linking verbs, straight verbs, so etc. And then main verbs are infinitive verbs. So in main verbs class we are going to discuss, and today only we are going to discuss about what's a helping verb. So helping verb helps to main verb, and then we have some kinds of helping verbs are here. Before going to explain this all verbs, first of all we have to understand what the persons in English language. If we want to communicate in English language, we have to understand persons. So depends on persons, we have to use helping verb. First of all, we have three types of persons in English language. That's a first person, second person and third person. And second one is singular and plural. Singular means singular persons, plural means plural forms persons. Plural means more than two. Singular, from my side, I is a singular. If we want to speak about more than two, we have to speak we at our side. You, it means your side. You also, sometimes we are going to use we for plural also. So you is the plural, singular, second person. You is the plural, second person. And third person, he, she, it comes under singular. They comes under plurals. So once again I am going to repeat. Persons, we have three types of persons in English language. First person, second person, third person. Singular we have I, and then plural we. You, he, she, it, they. Clear? So he means I am not talking about myself, I am not talking about yourself, I am talking about someone. He. She means someone. She. It means something. Or we can use name also, and then plural names. For example, Raju. Here Raju and Ramu. Like that. We can speak like that. So I hope you understood about persons. We are going to discuss about verbs. So helping verbs helps to main verbs. It means after helping verb we can find main verbs. First we can find helping verb, then main verbs. For example, so we have forms. Some forms are here: be form, do form, have form, and future. It means modal verbs. So for understanding I have given you future, will, would. Yeah. So that's the present. We have am, is, are. Be means it doesn't show any actions. Be means it shows only state. Next, am, is, are, was, were. These are past. For example, I am a teacher, I was a student. So next, it is a tense class. It is a verb class. It was adjective class or pronoun class. Next, were is used for plurals. Do, does. Sometimes we are using for do forms for questioning verbs. We can call it is questioning verbs. Next, did is a past one. Next, have means possessiveness. It shows a possessive. Like I have money. It means I have money means I have some money now. Has is used for third person singular. Had is used for both singular and plural. Next, move for modal verbs. Will we use for at present. Would is a past. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, had to. So we can use after these modal verbs verb first form. For example, go. For example, I will go. I shall go. I can go. I may go. Like that. I would go. I should go. I can go. I might go. We have some uses of modal verbs. That's the will is used to show future. It's an indication of future. Would is past. And then we can use would for huge respectable manner. For example, I would like to speak. I would like to speak. Like that. Shall, should. Should is used for order. For example, you should come to class in time. You should pay college fee. You should go home. Like that. It is a order. Next, can. Can shows capacity. I can go. It means I have the capacity to go. It means that. Next, I can speak French. I can speak English. Like that. It's a depends on capacity. If you want to show the capacity, you can use can. Could shows past capacity. It means I could do hard work in my childhood. I can not do hard work now. So that's the difference between can and could. Can shows present capacity. Could shows past capacity. Next, I may. May means permission. Permission. I may go. I might go means past permission. I must go means order. Order nearly 80 to 90% order. For example, I must. It means that I must do something. Otherwise, I can get punishment. So, had to. It means past. I had to go there. It means necessity. It shows a necessity. Next, move for am, is, are, be forms. Subjectual verbs. It means depends on subject. We are going to use helping verbs. Because of students are facing lot of problems by arranging of subjectual verbs. For example, some students are used for she, have, I, has. So they are doing some types of errors. To remove these type of errors, we have to follow these subjectual verbs. We can easily understand. Subject means when you are going to speak about something, that's a subject. Verb means it shows being or doing actions. Am. I is suitable for am. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. It is a teacher. It means third person singular. We used is here. Next, we, you, they. They are plurals. In plurals, we have to use at present, are. Right? Next, past. We were. We, you, they and names. They are plurals. That's why we have used were. For example, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. He was a teacher. She is a teacher. She was a teacher last year. It means she is not teaching now. Right? I hope you understood. So I hope you are understanding that. I hope you are understand. So next, move for subjectual verbs. I have written subjectual verbs for you here. Do, does and did. So I do. Do is a main verb first form we can use, and it's also helping verb. So do. I do. We do. So after helping verb, after do, we can use V1. I do speak. For example, speak. I speak or I do speak. I speak is used for in informal language. I do speak is used for formal language. We do, you do, they do. Next, I, we, you, they. We can use did for both. not only for third person singular and also plural also. For all persons we can use did form in past. Next, he does. For example, sun does rise. He does speak. He does speak. He does. She does. It does. Name. It means Raj or Shahid does speak English. Next one, he did speak English means the action happened in past. She did speak English. It did speak English. Name. It means Raj did speak English, like that. I hope you understood about do and did. In questioning verbs we can use did I, did we, did you, did they, like that. Did he, did she. For example, did she speak language, like that. Next, move for subjectual verbs and modal verbs. Modal verbs means depends on condition. We can use will form. Will is used to indicate about future. Would is used for speak about huge and respectable manner. Shall also future. Should also order. Can present capacity. Could past capacity. May 50-50 permission. It means if you ask your teacher, may I come in, if he gives answer, if he gives permission to you, you have to enter in class, otherwise you can't enter in class. Might is a past permission. I will, you, I will, I would, I shall, I should, I can, I could, I may, I might. Like the same in all subjects we can use modal verbs. And one condition is there, after modal verbs only you have to speak about V1 action. It means go, right? And then we have some tenses are there according to modal verbs. So we are going to speak in tenses topic. Tenses topic. We are in just in parts of speech. We have covered noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. In verb we have discussed helping verb, and then we are going to talk about main verbs in next class. So next, move for have and has. Lot of nearly 80% of students are confusing about have and has. Have and has. Have is used for about plurals. It means I have discussion noun. I have discussion persons. I have. We have. It shows possessiveness. We have. You have. They have. He has. She has. It has. Name has. But students are confusing sometimes. For example, she have money. It means it's an error. She have class. It's an error. Right? Don't do errors. So if you do errors, learn from it. Next, about had. Had is the past. Past is used for both I, we, you, they, he, she, it, name. For example, I had class yesterday. It means that now it means yesterday I had class but I don't have. Right? If you want to speak about at present time I have class means I have class. If you want to make negative, I don't have class, like that. So in tenses, in our spoken English classes we are going to discuss about. So now you have to concentrate only what are the helping verbs, what are the uses of helping verbs, and what are the persons in English language mainly we use. Right? I hope you understood. So it's about verbs, it's a persons, and then they are present and past. So next these verbs, and next move on these verbs. So you have to make it note for your better understanding. So it's about today class, guys. So thank you, and thank you very much for watching QADRI'S English Academy, Emi Gunur.